Hi, my name is Jennifer Palmer and I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I'm currently an instructional teacher within a public school setting where I work with students ages 5 to 8 who all have a diagnosis of autism. For this assignment, I thought about one of my students who I will call Joey. Joey is a 5-year-old kindergartner who is able to read, he's also able to comprehend text, and he is communicating verbally. Joey transitioned to my classroom this August, and his family decided to have him participate in our remote learning programming due to COVID-19. So all of Joey's academics are provided to him virtually through video conferencing on Zoom. He also receives all of his services, such as occupational therapy, social work, through that format as well. When Joey transitioned to us, his paperwork from his previous school noted that he had difficulties with transitioning, especially when he had to transition from his classmates. We're also seeing that through remote learning. Whenever I have to put students in a breakout room on Zoom so that they can work with a teaching assistant or a therapist, Joey displays some refusal or maladaptive behaviors that affect his ability to transition. Some of these behaviors have included yelling, crying, vocal protests, elopement, and throwing of materials. The behaviors last between 10 seconds to 10 minutes. So I really was excited about this assignment where I can make a social story specifically for him. I decided to use visuals that were familiar to him, as well as some visuals that were preferred. On the bottom of each page of the social story, you'll see that I have a little animal, because Joey loves animals, to prompt him to turn to the next page. If I were to implement this social story, I would also want to incorporate some type of token award system so that he was being provided with an incentive for positively transitioning. Lastly, I made my social story digital so that I could pull it up on my screen and share it with Joey during our video conferencing sessions, and I could also easily email it to the parents so that they could use it at home as well. So let's listen to the story. Saying goodbye. Sometimes I have to leave my friends. At school, I sometimes have to leave my friends when I'm working with my teachers. Sometimes during remote learning, my friends go into different breakout rooms on Zoom without me. When I leave my friends, sometimes I feel sad, and I miss them. It is okay to feel sad, but I know I will get to see them again. Before I leave my friends, I can say goodbye or see you later. I can check my schedule and see when I get to see my friends next, or I can ask my teacher when I will get to see them. If I get nervous when I leave my friends, I can take a deep breath. I know that I will be okay. My teacher can turn on a timer so that I can see how long I have to wait before I get to see my friends again. When I get to see my friends, I can say hello or I missed you. Being able to see my friends after leaving them is a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.